Sorry guys. OMG guys, today I made a brand new thing. Today is going to be a different video. Not a different video, but I'm going to tell you I made something. I made fluffy slime. Here, it's right here. It's fluffy, squishy, pokeable, stretchy. I will do a video on how to make it in another video, but for now I'm just gonna show you it. Here, I'll show you that right here. Here it is. It's stretchy. It's squeezable and squishy, and it's pokeable, of course. And you have no idea, I put a lot of shaving cream in this. Like, isn't that so cool? Here you go. I think it's too dark for me to show you, but there you go, slime. It's so squishy, guys. Like, you have no idea. Like, this slime is amazing. Like, super squishy and stretchy and pokey. You guys will love this. You probably want some of your own because you see me playing with it right now. I'm just gonna see this right here, this slime, this amazing slime. I'm just gonna lay it on this paper, and it does not stick to the paper, guys. It's not sticky because I put baking soda and water in it. I mix baking soda and water, so it's not sticky. Basically, you are gonna need glue or two. That's how you make your slime. Like, guys, you have no idea. It's so cool. It didn't squish as much because I don't have like a dip or something. It's like super cool. I was gonna add color to it, but I wanted it to be just plain white, guys. Like, how cool is this? How cool is it? Oh, there's a piece of hair in it. Dang it. Oops, this is disgusting. No, don't get on my clothes. Guys, it will stick to your clothes in the long run. And your slime won't be right. And it won't technically be slime anymore. Yes. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Guys, it's gorgeous. You know why you don't? You don't. Switch things. So baby, believe me. I don't want you down. Don't you think, baby. this. It's so squishy, but when your hair gets inside, it's like, you're like, ew, just. Here's a miniature piece of it because I think this is the one with the hair. Yeah, this is the piece with the hair. See, guys? I'm just gonna set that right there. And as you can see, it picks up the glue, so you won't have. Oh, I wash my hands. You won't have to clean your hands. Like wash them. Bing, bing, bing. I get down, I get down. And so this is my slime. Hope you guys could see that. And I hope you like that slime because I might show you how to make it. It's positive. Oh no, I muted. Sorry guys, I just did something. Yeah, and here's just a small piece with the one with the hair in it. Yeah. I wonder what I'm gonna do. Because how do you get hair out of slime? Because I have no idea where my hair is coming from into the slime. Okay. Hope you like this video. So if you did enjoy the video or like it, give a thumbs up. If you really like it, subscribe. Please subscribe. I only have... I'm a small YouTuber. I'm only 10. And I'm a small YouTuber. So I will appreciate it if you subscribe to me. Thanks if you subscribe and leave a like and subscribe. Bye.